Hello, I'm Cecília Calado. I'm a professor in biomedical engineering at ISEL-Instituto of Engineering of Lisbon, from the Lisbon Polytechnic Institute. My research focus has been on discovery and development of new medicines and vaccines and diseases biomarkers. As a student, and along more than 20 years after my PhD, I found critical to participate in international networks as the Eurasia Research Association. For example, as a student, I found the participation in conferences as an opportunity to learn, but also to develop my communication skills by orally presenting my work, or just to be an observer. So, if you are a student or a young professional, my advice is to participate in our conferences. My participation as a senior researcher has also been very positive, not only because I can meet and change ideas and learn with other colleagues, but also to help others. It's a pleasure to share and learn along that process. So it is a great pleasure to be president of the Healthcare and Biological Science Research Association. Our association goal is to promote that international network on healthcare and biological science and provide a very positive environment for all the stakeholders to exchange and positively discuss information and ideas, so to learn and to teach. The stakeholders can be professors or researchers as me, but also students from bachelor, master, and PhD degrees. Can also be professionals from industry and healthcare institutions and others. So, I invite you all to join us and to submit your work on our journals, and very important to participate in our international conferences, either in presential mode or in a more economical virtual mode. So the world is dynamically evolving and very efficient mode to keep up to date on science while sharing difficulties and find support is to join communities as ours, participating, for example, in our conference. So hope you see you soon, and thank you for all your attention. Thank you.